Dear ladies and gentlemen, the mission of this video is to help you not to trust dangerous pop-ups that derive from the website yourfine2upgradego.info. I've just made the name of this domain name highlighted. The pop-up may unexpectedly appear in your browser, whether it is Safari or Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and it will tell you that it is some sort of software update. It will also mention that Adobe Flash Player is out of date. The version of this plugin on your computer doesn't include the latest security updates. Flash cannot be used until you download an update from Adobe. Well, as you see, some people who have launched these pop-ups into the web think that certain categories of users will trust that these are some legitimate and decent alerts from Adobe or from your Mac computer or from any other operating system or from the browser. However, it is very dangerous to interact with these pop-ups. It is very dangerous to download any Flash updates like that, because these are actually fake Flash updates. You should not interact with these warnings, no matter how intrusive they are, and if they appear several times repeatedly, you still need to disregard them. By the way, in case your browser permanently produces them and you cannot control this suspicious behavior, you need to examine your Mac computer, and you may manually inspect your available applications. It could be that your Mac is infected by some adware type program. Once again, it is strongly advised that you do not download any updates like that, because these are fake updates. If you locate some suspicious software among your Mac applications, right-click on them and move them to the trash. For the security reasons, I will not demonstrate what this pop-up suggests. These pop-ups represent essential danger, and they may infect your Mac computer with a lot of malicious software. Therefore, you should never interact with them and stay away from downloading anything they suggest. I recommend that you scan your Mac computer with the reliable security software called Combo Cleaner. It is downloadable through the website combocleaner.com by means of this green download Combo Cleaner button. And by the way, there is some Black Friday deal today, which may be very beneficial to you and cost saving. Combo Cleaner works as the antivirus for your Mac, and it really helps you to boost the performance of your Mac and remove unwanted applications that may slow down the system performance. So click on the Start Combo Scan button to initiate the scanning process, and afterwards you may find a list of threads identified in your Mac, and you may remove them manually or automatically with the help of the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.